In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font of your text in Canva. If you want to give your design a different look or make your message stand out more clearly, changing the font is one of the easiest and most effective edits you can make. Canva makes this process very simple, and once you know where to click, you can update your text in just a few moments. To begin, open your Canva design and click on the text that you want to edit. Make sure you select the specific text box you want to change, because Canva only applies the new font to the selected text. Once the text is active, you'll see editing options appear in the top toolbar. Next, look for the font drop-down in that top toolbar and click on it. This is where Canva stores all of its available fonts. Opening this menu gives you access to a wide range of styles, from clean and modern fonts to more decorative or playful ones. If you already have a specific style in mind, this is the place to find it. Now take a moment to browse through the list, or use the search feature to quickly find a font you like. Browsing is helpful if you're still exploring ideas, while searching is faster when you already know the name of the font you want. As you look through the options, try to choose something that matches the tone of your design and is still easy to read. Once you find the font you want, simply click on it to apply it to your selected text. Canva will update the text right away, so you can instantly preview how it looks in your design. This makes it easy to test a few different font options before deciding which one works best. After applying the font, you can fine-tune the text further if needed. Adjust the font size to make the text larger or smaller depending on your layout. You can also change the weight, such as making it bolder or lighter, and update the style if those options are available for that font. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how balanced and polished your final design looks. Take your time with this step, because typography can really shape the overall feel of your project. A good font choice helps your design look more professional, more intentional, and easier for people to read. And that's how to change the font of your text in Canva.